Guys, I want to share with you a very short video of a project that's coming from the same place where the Vostok scooter was developed. These guys are brilliant engineers building something insane. This EV, it's built for fun, for going crazy and doing some insane stuff. Just look at the power delivery and how insane this is.
Hello Italy, I am Kevin and it's my project Monster Quad 4x4.
Буквою! Слушай, а как остальные-то проедут? Тут-то все понятно.
And Monster Truck 6x6. Sorry for my bad English, because my English so bad, I need to prepare for normal video. If you need that, I can do it, but after. Right now I want to spell about my car. It's a truck, but it's not ordinary truck. Like I say, a buggy truck. It's not for practical needs. It's about fun, about active riding on off-road, about adventures on off-road, camping in the middle of nowhere, and something like that. Now it's prototype. We're working with this right now, doing cable management and wiring, and working here not finished, it in process, but soon it will be done. Today we start working with salon, with interior. Soon it will be a comfortable salon with doors, with glass all around, and comfortable options like condition, like heater, like seats from with heaters, and entertainment system, and all of you want we can put here. It's base completion, base platform, but if you want 4-seaters, you can buy double cab. It's blank for double cab, and under it's blank for camper wagon. In future I can show you how it will be looked, but right now you can see in progress. If you want ask me question, you can do it, and I try to answer you.
Давай тогда с фарами, чтобы красивее было. Подсветочка. Поворотники есть?